Students, this is a very common question comes under central tendency, where we can see a frequency distribution table is given and two frequencies are missing and we need to find out these frequencies. Let's go through the question first. Here is written that the mean of the following frequency distribution is 50. So the mean of the distribution is given, but the frequency F1 and F2, you can see here F1 and F2, these two are missing. You have to find out this. Now, to find out two missing frequency, we need two equation to solve this. So we can start with, say, that we know capital N, which is summation of Fi, is given as 120, which is equal to 17 plus F1 plus 32 plus F2 plus 19, which is 68 plus F1 plus F2. Therefore, F1 plus F2 equal to 120 minus 68, which is equal to 52. So this can be equation number 1. For second equation, we're going to use mean formula, which is x bar is equal to A plus summation of Fu divided by capital N multiplied by H, where A is assumed mean, H we know is width of class, and U is x minus A divided by H. To get this, we will use a table. So in this table, first we're going to put all those data which is available. Like we know the class and the frequencies. So the class is given like 0 to 20, then 20 to 40, then 40 to 60, then 60 to 80, and then 80 to 100. Frequency is given as 17, then F1, then 32, then F2, and then 19. And N, which is the summation of Fi, is given as 120. Now we need mid values and U, which we know x minus A by H, and Fu. So mid value will be, here will be 0 plus 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 10. Similarly, this will be 30, this will be 50, this will be 70, this will be 90. U here will be N minus assumed mean is 50 here, because this is center, and H is the width. Width is what? Is 20. So the width is 20 in every classes. This will give you minus 2, similarly minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. Fu will be multiplication of U with the frequency. This will be minus 34, then it will be F1 minus F1, then 0, then F2, and then 38. So summation of Fu, it will be 4 minus F1 plus F2. We'll to put this data into the formula of mean. The formula was x bar equal to A plus summation of Fu by N into H, which now the mean is given is 50. A we know is 50. Summation of Fu we got through the table is F1 plus F2. N we know is 120 and width is 20. We need to solve this equation. So therefore 4 minus f1 plus f2 divided by 120 is equal to 0, and from this we are going to get f1 minus f2 equal to 4. This can be equation number 2. And solving equation 1 and 2, we will get f1 as 28 and f2 as 24. So this is our answer. Thank you.